Good morning. So now I'm going to show you how to submit these assignments like the story map and the retell. So I got on and I got into the story map. A snowman for Little Bear story map. So then I go to, it brings this screen up and it tells me to watch the video or attend the Teams meeting and complete the following story map. So then I go to my document and it should pull, okay, it pulls this up. It says SharePoint Online. You need to sign on to that. And then you log on to it and it pulls it up. And I can edit. You probably can't see that. Edit. I click edit and it brings up this screen. And so now I'm able to type on here. I click where it says type here, add text here, and I just type, like I will type the beginning of the story. Little Bear woke up and got ready to play in the snow. And then this middle doesn't have a text box, so I can go up here to insert, and then it says a text box here and it puts it there. So then I just type here what happened in the middle of the story. Little Bear built a snowman and her friends helped by bringing missing parts. Okay, that's all that I have to do there, and then I'll have to come over here to the end and I'll have to insert another text box. But that's not too difficult. So when I get that done, I'm finished with that. And then I come over here and I click submit assignment. And then it asks me, am I sure that I want to submit this assignment? And I say yes. So I submitted it. It was successful. And then when I grade it, you will see a grade here. So you will need to do that for the story map and the retell. And then I need everybody to try to finish that this week. And I had an assignment for you to write the paragraph. You can type that if you'd like to, but you can also just take a picture of it written. If you all have any more questions, please don't hesitate to let me know. If you have trouble getting on here, we can do a Teams meeting and see if you can share your screen and I can help you with it. All right, you guys have a good day.